Alright. Apart of direct observation, we also can make indirect observation to track users' activities remotely. We can use diaries, interaction logging, and the most popular one right now, web analytics. For the diaries, this is actually a rather traditional method of data gathering where the users are or the participants are asked to write a diary on regular basis, reporting on their interaction with the particular website or app. They have to report what they did, when and why they did it. Is there anything they find easy or difficult to use in the website or app? And is there any particular incidents related to the use of the web or app? So they have to report and write that down in these diaries. So it's rather a manual way of recording and reporting of this the interaction. Web analytics, on the other hand, are a system of tools and techniques for measuring, collecting, analyzing, and reporting web usage. Web analytics help to gauge traffic, website traffic, and popularity trends by providing information, for example, about the number of website visitors and number of page views. This is an example of a section in Google Analytics dashboard for idbook.com website. It shows information about how many users are using the website between August until September. It also shows that the users in average spend about 2 minutes and 32 seconds in the website. It also shows the bounce rate, which is 56.87%, which is quite high. Okay, so this bounce rate means that the users just visit one page of the site and then leave. They don't bother navigating to other page inside this website. So what caused that? So this kind of information is very useful for a website owner to evaluate their visitor behavior and performance in commercial context. Okay, so far we already talked about interviews, questionnaires, observations, and now we're going to talk about triangulation. Triangulations are precisely methodological. Triangulation is you use multiple methods or more than one method in your data gatherings, such as you use a combination of questionnaires and interviews, or interviews and observations, or questionnaires and observations, or you use all these three methods in your data gatherings. And this methodological triangulation is widely implemented in usability testing. Usability testing, which is just what you will do in your assignment or group project, involves recording typical users' performance on typical tasks in control settings. As the users perform these tasks, they are watched and recorded on video, and their key presses are logged ideally. Okay, this data is used to calculate performance times, identify errors, help explain why the users did what they did. So this is actually a direct observation in controlled environment, right? Then after this observation, you may give user a set of questionnaires for them to answer, or conduct a post-test interviews trying to identify their opinions or experience of using the website or app that you are evaluating. So this combination of multiple data gathering methods during usability testing is called triangulation or methodological triangulation. Finally, this is the summary of this chapter. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.